Okay, students, the next digital resource that we will be looking at is the Science Reference Center. So what we're going to do is, once again, we're on our Grantham Library homepage. We'll go to Digital Resources, and then here in the reddish orange section, we'll see Science Reference Center. If you hover over that, it should come up. You click, and then here in the corner, you can see we have science experiments that you can do. There's a research guide. The research guide shows you a lot of good things for plagiarism, step-by-step for writing your research paper or for your research project, like taking notes, beginning your research, editing and proofreading, creating a schedule, and then a few other things that could be helpful for you as well. One of my favorites is searching tips for the World Wide Web. I know we've talked about credible resources before, but here is kind of a backup that you can go to in case you have forgotten any of the things we learned when we were going over credible resources. Okay, so that is one of my favorite things, but you also have the popular sources that you can browse along with these categories for your research topics. I'm just going to dive into science experiments a little bit, and you'll see a bunch of things that come up, about 300 search results. If you click on one of those, what's the next step? This page might come up and you're wondering, where's the rest of the information? Well, most of the time you have to click to PDF full text, and it will bring up the actual article for you. Okay. Again, you have your print option on the side. You can save it to your Google Drive, and then you can also cite it as well if you're going to use this. You can use that MLA citation that you see right here, and again, just copy it and paste it. Okay, and that's a really good option for you to have. Going back, let's just say you needed to find something about a gravity experiment. When you search, there's things that are going to pop up on the side. One of the things is the source type. So if you're just looking for magazines, academic journals, reference books, science experiments, you can click on that over here to narrow your search results so that you can go from 18 to 5 or from 300 to 2. You can also change the publication date over here on the side. You have your subject, and then more publication options as well. If you're looking for things that are full text, you can click on that, as well as cover stories. I'm just going to click on the gravity experiment that I see right here. And again, you have that PDF full text where you can look that over. And I'll click on one more gravity experiment. This is a hands-on gravity experiment. When I come right here, I have the option to listen. They're actually telling me what I can try, and they're walking me through the experiment and also the materials that I'll need and everything. So this is just an overview of Science Reference Center. You also have the option for an advanced search just at the top. And that's where you can zone in on your Lexile levels as well, along with all the other things I was telling you about with your publication date and the publication type. You can also do number of pages if you're not looking for a very lengthy article. So that is Science Reference Center. If you have any questions, please let the librarian know.